Test, test. All right, y'all. I feel really, really good. We are back in 4K. Thank goodness. Took a lot longer over the holiday season to get the camera back, but we are back. Starting off with a banger, y'all. We got a restock of some Gomexus handles here. Of course, the standard flat knob 110 millimeter. This guy right here is a fan favorite for swim baiters. Anyone that likes throwing bigger style baits, this is the go-to. Now, I will tell you right now, these are the last of the bunch for Gomexus currently. They are currently out of stock on this guy right here. Now, if you want to get them, we've got a lot of them in the 8.5 size, a couple left in the 7.4 size. Now, I absolutely love this one. I love it on my A-rig rod, my swim bait rod, softies or hard baits. You just get a lot more torque with that 110 size. Two new ones that we had to bring in. A lot of the older models that we really like are getting discontinued, unfortunately, but we are getting some great replacement handles in. So this one right here is going to be a little bit thicker knob. This is 100 millimeter. Again, all these are going to be coming in 8.5 and 7.4. This one utilizes kind of that same long handle, like Calcutta Conquest handle, where it's big ball at the end, very still skinny at the bottom, to where you get a great grip on it. 100 mil is a great overall size if you just want a little bit bigger handle. It's actually just a hair smaller, I believe, than the 300 on the Tatula, but when you are buying a replacement handle, make sure to get the correct one for your setup, basically. So to break it down simply, if you're fishing Shimano Daiwa, the 8.5 is going to fit all Daiwas and then 300 Shimanos and up. But if you're fishing a 7.4, you're going to want to do your smaller Shimanos, and it's going to fit those perfect. So something like your Metaniums, your Bantams, your Corrados, SLXs, anything like that in the Shimano lineup are all going to be 7.4s. 8.5s are going to be your Daiwas and bigger Shimano styles here. Now, the last model in Gomexus handles that we have is going to be a carbon fiber handle with metal CNC knobs. So these are going to be a little bit skinnier. This is going to come in a 95 mil. I absolutely love 95 mil for cranking. I still love it for just throwing a chatterbait, a spinnerbait, any moving bait, even Texas rigs. This overall is going to be a very comfortable handle. It does have a little grippy edge on this knob here. It is going to be metal, aluminum. So overall, this handle is extremely light, a great replacement handle for your just day-to-day use. So we got 95, 110, and 100 size in these Gomexus handles. You can check them all out online at lakeprotackle.com, of course. Again, these are going out of stock entirely on the Gomexus site as well as ours once they are out of stock here. Now, for the bigger swim bait reels, y'all, that season is right around the corner. I'm not even gonna lie, it's already here. When it comes to bigger swim bait reels, you have to check out the Shimano Tranks as well as the Calcutta series right here. Now, these two reels are going to be staples in all anglers' arsenals. I definitely recommend you trying these out, especially if you're trying to throw those bigger swim baits. And, you know, bigger is relative. You know, anywhere from that 8-inch swim bait and up, you're definitely going to want a little bit bigger reel. You can't get away with your 100 size, 150 size as easily, especially throwing bigger line. So that's the big jump that you need to make here very shortly. And in the Daiwa lineup, y'all, the Tatula 300 is extremely, extremely amazing, as well as very slightly on the heavier end of things. This is still 100 size, but it's the Steez ATW. This is the 100. We've got them in left and right hand, all gear ratios. You also make sure to check them out. Another really cool thing going on is we've got some really cool items coming in from a lot of different manufacturers. I'm currently working on a bunch of items in collaboration with a bunch of different tackle companies, and I'm very excited to bring those out here very, very shortly. I know y'all have been absolutely amazing following the Instagram, Facebook, staying patient while the camera is being worked on. So make sure to head over to the website. Of course, we got a bunch of cool sales going on. You can check them out under the sales tab, as well as just really just any day-to-day tackle. We're getting a lot of the new stuff in from your Abu Garcia, your Strike King, Mega Bass, Evergreen, bunch of really neat companies. So make sure to check that out. We did do a big restock of the G-Crack Q-Bombs along with the Bellows Gill Swimmers, so make sure to check those out. The Q-Bombs are going to be in a 1-inch and a 1.2 inch, so make sure to head over there, pick those up, as well as, last thing here, the cast swim baits and echoes, as well as the Queen Tackle roll and stroll and jig heads. Those are fish catching machines all over the country. Y'all make sure to check out the cast products. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm so glad the camera's back here, and we'll see you next time in the next episode. LA Pro Tackle here. So thank you again. We'll see you next time.